Hello, this is Brian with Stevens Data. Welcome to our Power BI demo. In this demo, we're going to provide a brief overview, just showing a few Power BI dashboards that we've created. We have a BI specialist, and he's the one that puts together most of our business intelligence reporting. And he's got an extensive background working with ERP systems, Dynamics 365, both Microsoft and other technologies. And so this is specifically around Power BI. This is off of an Office login here, and what we're going to do is just show you he put together a couple of ones just to provide a glimpse into some of the capabilities here. The nice thing about Power BI that we really like is it does have the flexibility to work with Dynamics 365, and then we can also tie it to SharePoint list and Excel spreadsheets, SQL, a lot of the different tools or databases, data sources, if you will, that we frequently work with. In the past, very frequently we would use around, let's say, Microsoft Dynamics 365 or CRM environment, we would frequently use the internal reporting for the basic dashboards we created for users. And then we would use frequently the Dynamics Excel export option where it syncs live. And we would have a situation where maybe a sales manager ownership would need to do some of the same stuff I'm doing here, where we would slice and dice the data and have very robust reporting with both graphical representation and then the numbers and everything like that. And that's where this is going to more than likely replace that. We also have used the SQL reporting services in the Dynamics product and some of the other options available. But to really make it sizzle, a lot of times we were doing Excel and some of the other tools outside of just the native reporting from Dynamics. So this sample here, he just obtained some data, and this is a geographical representation here, so you can see how he's integrated a map, and then of course we have our bar chart and our numbers. And then let's go back over here to Oklahoma. We'll go grab a couple of isolated. You can see here we have our individual data points, and so we can go in here and we'll click on those and we can isolate one, and then it will adjust the charts accordingly. And then I can go back and do that, and so have a lot of flexibility here. This is a good way to analyze data for somebody that's trying to dive into what's going on with the KPIs that they're within their organization that they need to be able to research. Let's go back to this other one, and this one actually, this is a really good one for like a Dynamics comparison for the pipeline that is frequently what we do, and we frequently have where they're trying to do either individual salespeople's or maybe they have offices or groups of teams of salespeople, and you want to really see what's going on with the different team members on how their performance is. So this is a great, even though this is more of a geographic representation by state, this could easily be a sales team or sales groups, things of that nature. And so in this case, if we go in here, we can select an individual. Let's go to Florida here. You can see how we could go in and select an individual salesperson like I'm doing an individual state. And then we can also go in, I'm going to do a shift click and then grab an individual state. And we'll do a couple of them here. And you can see where if we needed to do a team, a group, a handful of people, figure out what's going on. This is a great tool. I've got he put together we have the numbers, we have the different graphing charts and different representations on the different ways we would typically do this, just to kind of give you a sample. So Power BI, it's something that we're enjoying working with, and hope you enjoyed the video.